Hi, I'm Eva Lane, and I'm here to tell you about my DIY anxiety block shifter, my program that offers a unique, natural approach to healing anxiety. If you're someone with high functioning anxiety who wants to play an active role in your own healing, this program is for you. It includes a workbook, a body scan process, and my own unique block shifting process, which people have described as a game changer. Unfortunately, traditional therapy isn't always effective for addressing anxiety. A lot of the time, it's just repetitive without actually shifting anything. So, if you're looking for an affordable DIY alternative that can help you make positive changes in your life, look no further. My block shifting process is based on the methods that I use with my own clients. In this program, you'll learn exactly how to take control of your anxieties and build a more peaceful life for yourself, no matter what challenges or experiences have come before. When you purchase this program today, you'll get immediate access to all of the tools and resources that will help you get some relief from your symptoms right away. But ultimately, my goal is to empower you to find balance and harmony within the body and mind so that it leads to lifelong well-being and peace. The cost of this program is just 97 Australian dollars. As a one-off payment, what would it be worth to be finally free from your anxiety? Click below to begin your journey towards freedom and true inner peace. All the details are below this video. Check it out now.